Welcome to our look at Wittersham Road on the Kent, East and Sussex Railway and its history with World War II. Wittersham Road original station was originally cleared by the British Railway, but for the reopening in 1978 the railway provided a station platform using coping stones from Heathfield station in Sussex. The platform footpath is flanked by railings retrieved from Cranbrook, another station on Stevens Railways. The station nameboard also originated from Cranbrook. As we walk down towards the signal box, we're flanked by the railings from Cranbrook station. The signal box is a Saxby and Farmer Type 5 box from Deal Junction. Dover built about 1882 and transported here for the opening of the rebuilt station. The station building is set to right angles to the line and closely resembles the original, but came from the Cambrian Railways at Porth in West Wales, where it had been since the 1890s. Opposite this building, across the station yard, is where the stock to and coming from the railway is loaded. A short walk across the pathway are relics of the World War II. Behind the picnic site, the small blockhouse was built as an ammunition store for one of the pair of super heavy 9.2 railway mounting guns that were based on the railway from February 1941 to the 8th of August 1944. They had a range of some 20 miles and would have been used to fire on the beaches hedging Romney Marsh in the event of invasion.